Good morning everyone. New day, new destination. हामी जाँदैछौँ होलोङ बे. Let's see बाटोमा के देख्छौँ. So on the way हामीलाई चाहिँ पल फार्मिङ गर्ने ठाउँमा स्टप गर्यो. अनि त्यो ठाउँमा चाहिँ गएर हामीले कसरी पल फार्मिङ गर्दो रहेछ अनि त्यहाँ जरुरीजहरू कसरी बनाउँदो रहेछ भनेर चाहिँ त्यो डेमोन्स्ट्रेट गरिरहेको थियो. Which was a good experience. So after 2 hours of bus ride, हामी चाहिँ क्रुज चढ्ने ठाउँमा पुग्यौँ. अनि as you can see, त्यो सानो बोटमा चाहिँ हामीलाई लिएर गएर चाहिँ मेन क्रुजमा लैजाँदो रहेछ. हामी क्रुजमा जाँदैछौँ. I'm the porter and she's the tourist guide. Ui.
Hey, come on, bro.
के भयो रे?
धेरै ब्याग बोकाएर
मलाई पोटर बनाएको तिमीले. Are you making me a porter? ल.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, follow me, please. 3, 2, 1.
Xin chào.
Xin chào, welcome, welcome. Board.
Thank you.
Xin chào, welcome. Board. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào. Xin chào.
Xin chào,
number?
342.
Xin chào cho lúc nào.
Xin chào, good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen.
Welcome to the Highland Bay, to the Lana Bay, to Area Cruise. So before our staff member we serve the lunch for you. I would like to introduce to you some our staff member on the boat. We serve the whole trip for you. That you on our staff member we are 25 people. But right here you see some of us and our housekeeping team, our kitchen team, our sailor. They working behind. And the people next to me on the my right hand side, our supervisor.
So let's see our room and the view.
Okay, for the rowing boat group, you see, later we go on the boat like that. Maximum 8 people, one boat.
अहिले चाहिँ हामीलाई रोइङ बोट गर्न लिएर गइरहेको छ Thank you for watching. Until next time.